So now we come to the workshop close. So I hope all of you been enjoying this workshop, this 2-day workshop. And to me, I myself, I've learned a lot and being exposed to a lot of our work in Australia related to ANSHM. So I enjoy very much work. So everything, there should be an end. So there should be a time for start and also a time for close. So now we come to the final session for today. So I just like to give some acknowledgement to the organizing committee's members. We just like to thank Lei. So Lei, are you there? So can you turn your camera on?
Hello, Tommy, I'm here. Can you see me?
So thank you so much. So thank you for organizing all that. So it's the first time we have this kind of online workshop. So we have a lot of things to learn and we haven't got the experience. But Lei, you've been organizing so well with Xin Chuan and all the other committee members. So I should thank all your hard work and also those session helpers. And sometimes they are a little bit gentle, so not reminding the speakers about the time, but overall they have done a great job. So I should also thank them. So actually, I should also thank the session chairs. They sometimes they have been very strict so that we can, when we come to the final sessions, we have not much overtime. Everything is good. So thank you so much. And also thank you for the forum facilitators. So just now, John and Colin and Govin has led us a very good discussion on the ANSHM. I think every year the forum, industrial forum is one of the highlights because we provide an opportunity for different parties to voice out of what they expect from ANSHM and also how ANSHM can work more towards the promote, implement research and development of ANSHM for the ANSHM for the benefit of the country. So so thank you so much for all of you, and also thank you so much for the AV supporting team, Ross. So while we are enjoying the workshop, and Ross is working hard to ensure all things working fine. Thank you so much. And also thanks again, John. So initiating engineering analysis as the sponsor of the workshop. So thanks again. And also I should thank the executive committee members and the advisory board member. So not only for this workshop, but for that many years, how you contribute and how you've been so passionate for ANSHM, as well as giving us a lot of advice, support, and help. So really thank you for all that. Okay, so regarding the results of the election. So Alex, do you like it? Is because Alex, although he can't attend it because he needs to be in charge of the University of Adelaide scholarship ranking in procedure or ranking meeting. So, but in the backdrop, he has helped a lot and using that policy for us to have a secure, anonymous voting system. So, Alex, do you like to announce the result or?
Yes, Tommy. Yeah. Do you want me to share the outcome that I
have done that, so maybe you can just announce it.
Yes. So for the election of the committee, executive committee.
Okay, we come to the election first. Okay, then.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yes. So all of them are elected. So we have sent out 24 votes and 21 people voted. So majority of them all of them have the majority vote to support their re-elections.
So thank you. So how about the other voting?
Yeah, for the change of the rules, so all the voters support that change. So again, is approved.
Okay, so thanks, Alex. So this amendment will be incorporated in ANSHM rules. And then, so 5 of us together with other existing executive committee member will continue to serve in the executive committee. Okay, so what's next? Well, when we come to the 12th ANSHM workshop, the next one should be the 13th ANSHM workshops. So in the last meetings, we have already decided originally it's supposed to be in Sydney this year, but because of the COVID, we can't have it. But we still hope that next year, the COVID will be under control and we can have a Wilmo 13th ANSHM workshop. So I leave the time to Professor Jin Chuan Lee and Professor Brian Wee because both of them will host that ANSHM workshop. So maybe Jin Chuan, I leave it to you. So please take over.
Tommy, do you mind you stop
Sure,
sharing?
I stop
so
sharing.
I can share, yeah, I can share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen? I have shared my screen.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. First, I would just like to acknowledge the wonderful workshop we have. I mean, the presentation is actually, I went to many of conference, actually, the quality may not be as good as this. This is really good. And in particular, because industry involvement, I mean, this is what ANSHM really has been doing extremely well compared with other different disciplines, but I so much appreciate. And so with that one, we really like to, and also we've been given opportunity, and Professor Brian Wing, myself, and to co-host next ANSHM workshop. And we hope and cross our finger to have the workshop actually meeting physically and in place rather than a virtual meeting. Because only in this meeting, I realized that how much I miss our friends, colleagues, and how benefit to talk to each other. I mean, it's just unbelievable. I mean, this completely energizing and also, inspiring. Anyway, yes, I think we definitely will probably prepare as early as possible, although there's a lot of uncertainty. And so next year, Sydney and Sydney Uni and the UTS will co-host this workshop. May I just invite Professor Brian Wing have a few words as well?
Oh, thanks, Junchen. So yeah, I'd also like to congratulate everyone on a fantastic workshop. Sorry I haven't been as visible over the last few days. Got exams to mark, and in fact we've been working on a linkage project up until now, but I've certainly tried to attend as much of the sessions as I possibly could, and congratulate the team again on fantastic effort. We'd be delighted to work with Junchen and the UTS team to assist in the workshop next year. And yeah, likewise, we'd be looking forward to meeting colleagues in person. We might even be able to look at maybe seeing whether we can host a dinner in the Great Hall or the McLaurin Hall. So no guarantees, but we'll look at that.
That's a highlight.
We've had a few other events in there, so let's try to see what possibility. Can't guarantee it, but let's see how we go. And I might start to work with Ali Hardigay and our team to see whether there's a possibility.
Wow.
Looking forward to seeing everyone next year. Not so much the Great Hall, that's used for graduations, but McLaurin Hall is just as regal, and it's quite a nice touch to things. So yeah, and in fact, we actually every year we have our industry dinner hosted by the faculty in that hall. So it's actually a location where industry and town and down meet numerous times throughout the year. So yeah, we'll work with Junchen to see whether that's possible. Thank you.
Thanks, Brian. That's wonderful. Yeah, I think we also already have a good team, and Ali from UCIT and Xinqun from our UTS are already a part of the team. We'll get more people on, and I think we will possibly actively contact all other people, including particularly industry people. Hopefully, if we could have even bigger and industry forum, because it's so beneficial, would be even better. All right, Tommy, we hand it back to you.
Okay, then. Okay, so thank you so much for these 2 days. And as what Brian and Jin Chun mentioned, I really look forward to meet each of you in person. So thank you so much for the last 2 days. Thank you for your attention. So for more information about ANSHM, please go to our website, www.anshm.org.au. So if you have still not yet a member, there are a membership form there. You just fill in, and then the executive committee will assess that and approve your membership if that satisfies what we require. Okay, so thank you so much for all of you. And so for every workshop, we may say that have a nice journey back, but now you just have a home then. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in person maybe next week. Okay.
Forward to
See you,
Tommy.
everyone.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.